Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My B. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways here. We are unboxing the Ipsy X for the month of August, as well as giving one of these items away to one of you. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of August, it is the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. This is mine. I have a brand new one for you. Just look in the description box down below under current videos. It'll talk about this one as well as my other giveaways that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety. Be subscribed. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. As far as what I have on my eyes today, it is the Sydney Grace Temptalia On the Horizon Light. And it's kind of these shades at this end of the palette. Love working with this. For those that haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid back group here. Everybody's really supportive of one another. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings because I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, which are a lot here on this channel. I try and do giveaways from each of my unboxings. So if you are new here or don't know, Ipsy is a beauty subscription, mainly skincare as well as makeup items. They have 3 different tiers. They have their glam bag, which you get a makeup bag, and then there's 5 deluxe size samples. Every once in a while they'll throw in a full size, and that you'll get that for $12 a month. They also have their plus, which is 5 full size items for $25, or every quarter they do their X. And the X is 7 to 8 full size items for $50. And this month's X is in conjunction with Halsey. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. That code is in the description box down below. It's just there for you to use. It helps you out, saves you a little bit extra money, and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. Obviously, no obligation to use that code. So let's dive into the X. This is my second X box. The first one was totally screwed up. I didn't get to choose any of the items. I think I got to choose 1 or 2 items in here. Yeah, so let's dive in. One of these items we're giving away to one of you. So based on the beauty quiz that I filled out when I first signed up for Ipsy, they kind of pick which ones, products they think that I would like. I will say there's one product in here that I really wanted that I didn't get, but that's okay. You see me looking down, it did include a little newspaper with it. So the first thing in here is from Other Beauty. It is the Moonlight Crystal Palette. It does retail for $58. What do you get when you combine vegan ingredients, sustainable packaging, and crystal-infused powders? This epic Halsey exclusive palette. Mix and match the shadows. You can use them wet or dry to create your perfect shimmery eye look. Halsey's tip: dip your brush in face oil to transform these shadows into molten light cream. I do kind of like the packaging. It's kind of raised almost like a gem. Here is what the inside looks like. If you've been around my channel for a while, you know I love gem tones. Let's see if I can read this. What it little says here on the inside. Hello, beautiful. We have removed the mirror and magnets to be more sustainable. We strive to meet the best sustainable choices in all our products. And let's be real, you'll probably be using this in front of a mirror anyway. Pretty true. By removing the mirror and magnets, it becomes fully recyclable. And we are saving the palette from going directly to the landfill. It's a win-win for both you and our Mother Earth. Thanks to your love and understanding. I completely love that. Love that it's completely recyclable. So let's do a couple swatches here. We do these. greens and purples. Obviously, I like greens. Let's do this blue. Let's do this one here. And let's do this turquoise. So they're okay. Let's dip them in a little bit of that oil to see if we can really get them to pop. So I did that, I kind of built them up. You can kind of see next to them each one's. The ones are a little darker, that purple and blue, these two middle ones with the oils I think were the most vibrant. I think it's going to be one of those that you kind of have to play around with to see how the different formulas work for you. Try them wet, try them dry. For me, I really, really like bold pops of color, and I'm not, even with as pretty as this is, I just don't know without playing with it more. But it's one of those that I'll keep you informed on and let you know what I think. The next item that they picked for me is the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. And because I'm black, it does retail for $24. Whether you're performing on stage like Halsey or giving a presentation on Zoom, this mascara has got you covered. The innovative brush lifts, curls, defines, and separates for a dramatic lash look that won't smudge or smear for hours. Halsey's tips to make your eyes look more open. Apply mascara on the tips of your bottom lashes as well. Here's what the mascara is like. I don't want to open this one quite yet because as soon as you open it, that starts your calendar down for your 3 months before it expires. From Glow Recipe is the Watermelon Glow Highland Granite Clay Pore Tight Facial. It does retail for $40. When your skin needs a reset, reach for this powerful purifying mask. It is as effective as a pro treatment, but only takes 5 minutes at home. The combo gentle clays, fruit enzymes, and exfoliating acid get rid of dead skin scales, build up and excess oil for clear, glowing skin. Halsey's tip is after a long day in makeup, add this mask to your PM routine to keep your skin bright and clear. I do a masking review series here on this channel, so look for this in an upcoming video for that. From Halsey's brand itself, About Face Light Lock Highlight Fluid in Fight or Flight, Shaken or Stirred, and Sunstruck. Mine is in the shade Fight or Flight. Leave it to Halsey to create a highlighter that is versatile as you. This shimmery gold liquid can be used 3 ways: as an illuminating base, an intense highlighter, or a glow booster in your foundation. Halsey's tip is add a few drops to your body moisturizer for fire glow all over. I don't really use a ton of liquid highlighters, so I think I'm going to save this either for this giveaway or an upcoming one. From Dr. Brandt, do not age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. It does retail for $82. This multitasking cream uses a combo of caffeine, ceramide, shea butter, and peptides to brighten dark circles, smooth fine lines, and minimize puffiness, so you look refreshed, awake, and when you're running on empty. Halsey's tip is don't forget your brow bone lids and crow's feet. When applying this eye cream, I am allergic to caffeine, so this is going to be another one that's going to given away either this one or a future one. It's time for the 3 items that I did get to choose. From Dr. Brandt as well is the Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Time Defying Cream. Your best defense against aging. The cream with peptides and a skin energizing complex. This little guy right here retails for $132. Yes, please sign me up. Anything anti-aging, I'm all about. So in age Skincare Collagen Boosting Serum retails for $48. Collagen, the secret to smooth, plump skin. Lucky for you, this serum is loaded with it. Looks like this. A little pump on the hand. That feels really, really nice on the hand. Secret word, Halsey. From Treat Beauty Co. is Lash Treat. Retails for $65. Peptides, aloe, and hyaluronic acid. An ultimate strengthening treat for your lashes. I love a good lash serum. I'm using the one from New Lash right now. And here's what that one looks like. I love this little reusable kind of Ziploc thing. You could easily put like a couple lipsticks in here. Throw it in your purse. So what do I think? I think it was good. I think I would feel better about it if I knew how this guy was going to really play out and really work. That would be the biggest thing. I do think that, you know, I've gotten my money out of it, that's for sure. I mean, this one alone, you know, was $132, you know, the box costs you $50, so definitely got my money's worth out of it. What do you guys think? Do you guys get Ipsy X? Are there other, did you guys, if you do, did you get something else in your box instead? I love chatting back and forth with you guys. So let's give away, let's do that About Face highlighter. My giveaways are really easy. So you must be subscribed to the channel. Down below in the description box is a Google form link. Make sure to only fill that Google form link out once. You can get multiple entries for it if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty AMA, followed by the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same Beauty B, followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. So don't fill out that form more than once. There is a spot on the form where you can mark if you did do the bonus entries. If you did do them, make sure that you did, because I do check and I'll delete them if I find out that you didn't. And I also delete your forms. You fill them out more than once. Make sure to also put on that form your secret word. Do not put that secret word in the comment section down below. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through September 10th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then we'll do our giveaway winner announcement on September 15th. Now, what I do is I take from the forms your first name and first initial of your last name. I'll put that into our little spin the wheel, and then I'll put in there if you have bonus entries, and after I've checked, and the computer does it spin, the computer picks it. Don't ask to win, because I'm not the one who picks it, the computer does. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I've mailed out the prizes to all the winners. Then I go and delete those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I do not sell your information in any way whatsoever. So YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I would greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. If you like this video, hit that like button. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.